Hey everybody, I was working on a work order right now. It's for an air handler, it's for an AC that's not blowing air. So I go in there, the air handler's not moving at all. Well, I check electrical, make sure there's a voltage and all that, and everything was good down at the air handler. And this is of course a split system, but it kept on burning the fuse, the 3 amp fuse. So, and I wasn't sure what it was gonna be because the air handler is new. So I was thinking, what could it be? And I was thinking it could be the circuit board, it could be stuff like that. Well, what I did is I disconnected the low voltage coming up to the condenser unit. And this is when I came up here, I thought it was going to be a new condenser, but it's actually a pretty old condenser. It's got all the parts are new in it, but it is an older condenser. So this is my problem right here. As you can see, as soon as I disconnected the low voltage down there, the fuse didn't burn anymore, and the blower started running. And as you can see, I don't know if you guys can see here pretty clearly or not, this is my low voltage coming into my condenser. Like I said before, the condenser's got a new compressor, everything's new up here. Looks like somebody's worked on it recently, but it's just this low voltage. And what happens is the sun just ate right through it. So at certain points, I don't know where exactly, but at certain points it's making contact. So it was burning my fuse down there. And this is a really simple fix, but if you don't get up here and check it, then how are you gonna know? Like I said, the air handler is new, brand new, but this is the problem up here. It's the sun ate it. So I'm just gonna replace the low voltage wire. So this is for somebody that's having problems with their fuse in their air handler keeps on tripping or breaking. Well, you guys have a great day.